In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to ask a question on Udemy. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Start by opening the Udemy website and signing in using your preferred method, such as your Google account. Make sure you're signed in so the platform knows which courses you're enrolled in and can notify you about any replies. Once you're signed in, look for the My Learning tab at the top of the screen and click it. This is where all of your enrolled courses live, and it's the quickest way to get back to the course where you need help. From your list of courses, select the specific course you're currently studying. Clicking the course will open the video player and the main course content area. Spend a moment to navigate to the part of the course that relates to your question so you can reference the exact lecture or timestamp. Below the video player, you'll see a row of menu tabs. Click the Q&A option to open the course discussion area. This is where instructors and fellow students interact, and it's the best place to post course-related questions. In the Q&A area, choose the Ask a New Question option. This will open a form to begin composing your question. When prompted, select the course option if asked to link the question to the specific lecture or section. That helps the instructor see exactly which part of the course you're referring to. Give your question a clear, descriptive title that summarizes the problem. A good title helps others quickly understand the issue and increases the chances of a fast, accurate response. After choosing a title, click Continue to move to the main text field. Type your detailed question into the text box and include as much specific information as possible. Mention the lecture title or timestamp, describe what you expected to happen and what actually happened, and paste any relevant code, error messages, or screenshots. If it's a coding question, format the code or call out line numbers so it's easy to read. When your question is complete, press the Post Question button to share it with the instructor and fellow students. You'll be taken back to the Q&A area where your post will appear. Check back later in the Q&A section or keep an eye on your email notifications for responses. That's it. Once you've posted a clear, well-documented question and linked it to the right lecture, you've done everything you can to get a helpful answer.